So this here is the box of the Oppo A31. We basically have the mystery black variant of the smartphone, and in terms of the box, what we can actually say is that this is the 6GB RAM variant with 128GB storage, which is further expandable. And the front of the box clearly shows us the design, which basically what you're going to get with the phone. So the front design has the water drop notch at the top of the screen, and it's a modern design. And then at the back you have the triple rear cameras in a vertical setup, and the fingerprint scanner is also there, physical fingerprint scanner at the back as well. So that's what you get in the front of the phones at the box. And then at the back you have some basic details which are mentioned about the A31, which is the AI triple camera at the back, and then you have this large capacity battery and a water drop screen, as we talked about, with a HD+ resolution. This is a mystery black variant. So now let's open the box and see what all Oppo is offering us with this phone. It's quite a meaty box. So yeah, so the first thing, and an interesting good news for people, is that you are getting a transparent case. So the moment you buy this Oppo A31 smartphone, you're going to get this case inside the box, and you can use it because it's a safety measure. So let's say if you're not very confident of using a phone without a case, this case, at least in the short term, will help you make sure that you feel secure in terms of using it without fearing of it dropping out of your hands or like breaking apart. You have the SIM ejector pin. This basically is the gateway for you to start using a phone. So